Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope you're all doing good. So if you can hear me and see me well, then give me a thumbs up in the chat. Quickly guys. Can I see some excitement? Can I see some yes or a yo in the chat quickly? How many of you are excited for this session? Hello Junaid. Hello Karthik. Drakshi. Durairaj. So nice to see all of you guys. Welcome people. Hi Satvik, nice to see you back man. Ankit. Yes Ankit, I'll talk about it. So guys, today's session is very interesting and I'm gonna have a fun time with everybody because I want to talk and discuss with you what is the best strategy for cracking JEE Main in less than 30 days because we are in the end of January and we just have few more days left out until the first attempt. So I'm going to share my experience because guys, I also took JEE Mains a few years back and I was a state topper. So why was I able to do that? How was I able to do that? All those secrets I'm going to share with you. So I want you to be very open, be very relaxed and listen to what I say. If you guys are okay with it, let me know. If you guys feel something else can be done, then also let me know. Because I want to talk to you guys. Okay, because I want to talk to you and be with you as a friend. So let's have a great time. How many of you are excited? Can I see some yo's in the chat? Come on, people. Exactly, Prasoon. We will do it together and I have that confidence in you guys. Yes, Shabana. We will do it. Don't worry. Okay. So let's get started people. I hope everybody is here. Now before I get started, I'll introduce myself. So this face over here is me and that is none other than Shimon Joseph. So I teach math at Vedantu guys and I've been teaching for almost 7 years now. And when I was a student, I also prepared for JEE Mains, KVPY and I cleared all of them. And I did my BTech from IIT Madras. So I studied in IIT Madras. I have mentored more than 10,000 lovely, wonderful students like you guys. And some of the 10,000 are in IIT, small percentage. And majority are in NIT. And some of them are in BITS Pilani, Triple IT and so on. Okay. So great people, great experience. Teaching has been fun so far because of you guys, because of students. And some of my proudest achievements are All India rank 38 and All India rank 41. Both these students were personally mentored by me and currently both of them are in IIT Delhi. Okay, so that's a quick introduction. I hope you guys had a great KVPY session. So I also wrote KVPY when I was young. I cleared it in my 12th standard. In 11th, I couldn't. So 12th, I did it. But don't worry guys, we'll help you and you guys also will try to do it. So shall we get started? Hello Uvashri, welcome. Nishant. Yup. Durairaj. Of course Durairaj. So shall we get started people? Did you all learn what is there for day? Did you all get what are we planning to do today? So today I'm going to discuss some strategies which I feel worked for me when I was a student and I'm going to help you with it. Hi Jashwant, welcome man. Yes Durairaj, I will cover all the chapter. Definitely Venkata Krishna. So guys, what are the problems which students usually face? So when I was a student a few years back, there are certain things which are very common to everybody. Do you think that only you face a certain problem? No guys, don't ever take that pressure to your head. How many of you feel, sir, I am not doing well. I am the only one who is not good. So I am very average, sir. Others are very good. My friends are very good. So don't ever feel like that because the world has 7 billion people and almost many will be like you. Okay. So don't worry about it. There are so many people on the same boat. Everybody has the same problem. So you might have doubts. Who doesn't have doubts, guys? Even the toppers have doubts. Okay. So doubts might be your problem and some of you might have no conceptual clarity. Sir, physics to electrostatics when I have a charge inside a conductor, I don't know how it splits at all. I don't know how people solve questions. I don't understand certain concepts in physics at all. So that might be your problem. Some of you will be like, sir, my NCERT school is focusing only on CBSE questions. They're all very easy, sir. I want some good questions. Who is that to provide me with good questions, sir? In my whole city, my school is the best. But in my school itself, they do only CBSE questions. What can I do? I need good questions, sir. Only if I do good questions, I can become better. So that might be one issue. Some of you will have that as a problem. Okay. And guys, honestly, I had this problem. So when I was young, I did not do well as compared to my friends because I was not exposed to good questions. Only if you're exposed to good questions, you become better. Isn't it? So there's a proverb, you must have heard of it. Show me your friends, I will tell you who you are. So that is a very common proverb, right? So like that, show me the questions which you solve, I'll tell you what is your level. So like that you can tell. Because the question level which you solve determines how good you are. Did you guys understand that? How many of you understood what I said? If you guys like the explanation that I gave, can you all give me a thumbs up? I want to know how many of you actually followed me. Okay, great. Satvik Rao has followed me. Brilliant. Very good, Varalakshmi. Great. Exactly, Deepan, Kalpana, Pramesh. Okay, perfect. So the next one is All India mock test. So another problem is not having a standard test. So some of you might be very good in your school. So when I was studying in school, in my 10th standard, I studied in an ICSE school. So there was a huge lead which I had over my classmates. Okay, it was a decent class. People were very competitive, but still I was having a good lead. So I always used to think that I am the best. But to know your actual level, you need to compare yourself with the national level exam. So when I wrote my first national level exam, I got an All India rank of 315. So that time only I woke up. I was like, what? There are 314 people better than me. So that time it was like a, wake up call. Shimon, you're doing okay only. You need to really perform well to compete with others. So like that, only when you take an All India level exam, you will know where you stand. Otherwise in your school, you might be done. But outside what you are, you will know only when you take a national level test. Okay. So that is very important. Got it? And the second important point which I want to cover is incomplete syllabus. So many of you might have not completed your syllabus. Some of you will be like, sir, this chapter, I will leave it, sir. I will just leave it. I don't want to study that. So all those worries will come in. And last one is, everybody looks for a revision plan. I'm sure everybody wants to look for a revision plan. Sir, I want to revise the entire syllabus. How can I do it? What is the best way to revise it? So how many of you agree these are the doubts which you have? And the best and the topmost request I get from everybody is, sir, can you give me your notes, sir? Some of the dons will ask me, sir, can you give me your notes? So that is another very, very, very important request from students. Okay, so please make sure you guys are writing notes because this is also a need. So I am going to address all of this. How many of you are okay with it? Like, do you all agree that these are the common problems which every student goes through? Guys, when I say every student, everybody, I'm not saying topper or weak student. No. Like even the toppers, everybody go through these problems. I've seen them. Okay, so now let's try to address them. Okay, I'm going to take some time to address each of these issues. So let's get going, guys. Okay, so what is the plan for today? The plan for today is I'm going to teach you guys what is the pattern of JEE exam, because the new pattern is very different as compared to the previous one. I hope you're all aware of it. And I'm going to give you the weightage of each subject. So some of you are saying, Ajo was saying in the start, sir, don't take sessions like these, sir, because everybody does this and people give random opinions. But guys, I have come with a lot of research and you can check it, man. Everything is available in Google and you guys are smart. Even if I tell you something wrong, you will Google it and tell, sir, no, this percentage is not 24.7, it is 24.8. So you guys are smart. Okay, so I'm going to give you a very analyzed data and you can think about it, and if you guys feel it's correct, please follow it. Okay, because I am going to give you something which is very, very true, and you have to take that leap of faith in me. You just have to trust me and follow it. Okay, so please wait and listen carefully, because this might be an eye-opening session for you, and it's very good that it's happening at this time. Okay, yes, Mustaq, I'll come to that. I'm going to give you JEE subject-wise weightage, and I'm also going to give you a strategy. Okay, so kiddo, the session will be for probably another 25-30 minutes. Got it? So let's go forward, guys. Come on. How many of you feel that you have prepared well in the last 2 years? And how many of you feel, sir, I could have prepared better, sir, I did not do well? I want you to first answer this question. How many of you are able to say yes? How many of you are able to say no? Honestly, guys, let's all be fair, because it is just a fun session and I'm just your friend here and I can probably understand what you're going through. I want to relate to you guys and advise something based on that. So most of you guys are saying, sir, I could have prepared better. Okay, Ashmit says, sir, 1 year I did well. Shivesh is saying, sir, I actually prepared well. Okay, great. So majority of the answers are no, and some of you are saying yes. Okay, great, great. No problem, guys. So I'm gonna help you with some really good insights which can maybe help the last 22 days. So am I going to teach you how to score 300 on 300? No, I'm not going to lie. But I'm going to show you something with which you can do smart work. With which you can do smart work. Instead of slogging like a horse, working 15-20 hours mindlessly, if you take my points, you might get a better outcome. That is all I promise. Is that fair? Are we all in the same page? So shall I move forward? Let's get started, guys. So the first thing which I want to teach you is the pattern. Whenever you write an exam, you should understand its pattern. For example, CBSE board exam, you know the pattern. You know that you have MCQ questions, you have 2-mark questions, you have 4-mark questions. So all these pattern, you are aware of it. So that helps you in the exam. You know, okay, MCQs are easy, I will attempt that first. 1 marks are easy, I will do that first. 2 marks are easy, I will do that first. Like that, you plan your strategy based on the pattern. So that is why I wanted to give you this. So this year, the number of questions which will be given to you is 30, 30, 30, but you have to attempt only 25. Now people will be like, sir, that is awesome, sir. So I have to choose only 25 out of 30? No. It is gonna be section A and section B. So section A is single correct questions, which will be 20 compulsory. Section B is numericals, which will be 10, but you have to attempt only 5. Are you all clear? So only section B has options. Only section B has options. Did you all understand that? So only the integer type questions you can take a choice. But the single correct questions are compulsory. The 20 MCQs are compulsory. You cannot leave that. And what is the portion? It is full portion. It is full portion. Sir, CBSE only 70% syllabus is there, sir. That is all old story. The government has changed it. It is going to be full syllabus. You have to study everything. You have to study binomial theorem. You have to study mathematical reasoning. You have to study statistics, everything. Got it? So don't leave anything and then be surprised in the exam hall. You'll be like, so if you leave binomial theorem, you might be in for a great surprise. Okay? So don't do that. Please try to cover everything. I will show you how to cover and what to cover, because I know some of you might be starting your full-fledged preparation now only. So even for those people, I have a strategy, so please wait for it. Okay? So ZK lyrics, the MCQs are compulsory and the integer type numericals are having options. So MCQs have negative marking, integers have no negative marking. So the numerical will have no negative marking and MCQs will have -1 negative marking. Is that clear? Now the pattern is everybody has got it. So shall I move forward? All of you are clear with the pattern? Brilliant guys, brilliant. Okay, so let us move forward. I want to address a lot of major issues. So now that you know the pattern, you need to cover your entire syllabus in 4 weeks. So you just have 4 weeks, right? Exactly 4 weeks, around 22-23 days. So how to do this, what chapters to study, what are all important, that is what I'm gonna teach you. Rishabh, that will be subject wise cutoff, so you cannot leave everything in mathematics. Please don't do that. Okay? Jagadish, I'm not too sure, man. Please focus on the session. Let us move forward. So I'm going to teach you guys how to cover the entire syllabus, and Vedantu is also helping you with it. In case you are interested, click on the top right corner. But I'm going to teach you my way of doing it. So let's analyze. Are you guys ready? Are you all ready? So we are going to analyze the topics. So people, I want you to take a pen and a small notebook. A small, rough notebook or scrap notebook. Just write down the important topics, because this is the whole point. This is the whole point of coming to the session. And like I said, guys, I have really spent some time researching what has come in the previous years. So I want you to just trust me and take that leap of faith. Trust Vedantu, because we will deliver. Got it? Yes, Gagan, I will talk about it, Gagan. Please wait for some time. Now this is the analysis of mathematics paper in the recent years. So when I say recent years, last 2 to 3 years papers, if you analyze it, the weightage of coordinate geometry and vectors and 3D is very, very high. It has 35% weightage. So coordinate geometry and vectors 3D is having the highest weightage, followed by calculus. That's kind of obvious. I hope everybody knows that. And then algebra. Okay, so this is the third. So if you cover only these three, you are gonna get a very high score. Okay, everybody clear with that? Yes, Navaneet, MCQs, all of them are compulsory. You have to attempt it. Rakshit, the exam is on February 23rd. Hello, Venkata Rohit. Everybody clear with this? All of you? Perfect. So now I want to talk about trigonometry also. Now many of you hate trigonometry. I know that. Some of you will be like, sir, thank God my trigonometry is having very low weightage, so I will leave it, sir. Okay. Yes, Jay Sachin, what happened? Everybody will be like, sir, trigonometry has such a low weightage, I'm going to leave it. Thank you so much for this. But guys, you're wrong. Please don't ever think of leaving trigonometry. Why? Because that will be included in calculus. That will be included in algebra. That will be included in coordinate geometry. So the application of trigonometry in the other chapters are very high. So don't get miscarried. Don't try to think, sir, trigonometry has very low weightage, so I will just leave it. Guys, I'm telling you again, the application of trigonometry in other topics is very high. So don't let go of it. Everybody clear with it? Okay. So shall I move forward? So this is the weightage. I hope you guys got it. Now, many of you are asking, so how do I tackle the paper? Sir, should I leave coordinate geometry? Should I leave calculus? Should I leave algebra? Should I leave trigonometry? All that you can decide after I show you the chapters which are easy to score. Okay, so let's go through everything. Let's go through everything and then we will take a decision. Now, I have analyzed one more thing for you. I have analyzed the number of easy questions, the number of moderate questions, and the number of hard questions based on January and September of your 2020 and January and April of 2019. So guys, I'm going to talk about all the subject strategy, so please wait for it. Yes, Abhiram, there is subject-wise cutoff, but it will be very low usually. Definitely, Rishabh, I'm going to talk about that. How will Vedantu help you to crack JEE Mains? I will talk about it, but please wait for it, guys. Okay? Mamudi, Gurunathan, there are subject-wise cutoff, so you cannot do that. Okay? Now, if you look at the number of moderate questions has increased drastically in the recent years. Whereas the number of easy and hard questions are almost the same. The number of easy and hard questions are almost the same. So in an exam, you have 5 easy questions, you have 5 hard questions, and you have 15 moderate questions. So I would suggest all of you who are starting now to target these two. So if you target these two itself, you get 20, and 20 into 4 is 80 marks. So even if you leave out the hard questions, you are still having 80 marks which you can score. Did you all get that? Did you all get that? Everybody, are you all able to follow what I said just now? Shall I move forward? Yes, Rushabh. I will talk about that, Rushabh. I hope everybody understood the way I have split it. So this is the relative toughness of the questions. I have rated it as easy, medium, hard. And as you can see over here, easy is 5 questions on an average, and 10 is gonna be overall easy and hard put together. Remaining 15 will be moderate, and that is what you guys have to aim for. Okay? Yes. I will talk about every subject, Hemant. I'm coming to that. Now, if you look at it, I'm going to give you the topic-wise weightage. So now, this is a very good thing, and this is the best benefit of attending this session. So listen carefully. The top 10 weightage topics, high weightage topics. The first one is matrices and determinants. Matrices and determinants has the highest weightage, and guys, it is one of the easiest topic. It is one of the easiest topic. So ZK lyrics, if you start hard first, it will demotivate you and it will waste a lot of time. So I would recommend you to start with easy questions first. Okay? And in Vedantu's crash course, we teach you how to start a paper. We will show you solving each question one by one, and I'll tell you various tricks to solve it. Okay? So please listen carefully. The second topic is sequence and series, which is highest weightage. The third one is limits, continuity, and differentiability. The fourth one is vectors and 3D. Then you have functions. Then you have trigonometry. Then you have application of derivative. Then you have straight lines. Then you have probability, and then differential equation. So these are the various topics. I will repeat it. Please go through it. And guys, yes, you will get the PDF of this session in the description of this video. But right now, I want you to listen. First important topic is matrices and determinants, then sequence and series, then limit, continuity, differentiability, then vectors, functions, trigonometry, AOD, straight lines, probability, and differential equation. Is that clear? Everybody is able to understand that? Very good, very good. Brilliant, guys. Yes, you can start with calculus also. Yes, Rakshit. If you are good at calculus, please start with calculus, because calculus also has very high weightage. Now coming to easy kill topics. So many of you are saying that you haven't prepared that much. Many of you are saying, sir, I am starting to prepare now only. So can you please tell me what chapters to do? What are the easy topics to score? For you guys, I have prepared this list. So I want to help each and every student out. Because guys, in Vedantu's crash course, we are gonna cover all of these topics in detail so that the minimum base score you get will be ensured. Because if you guys remember, for OBC category and for general category EWS, economically weaker section, if you score 100 marks itself, you will get some NITs. If you score 100 marks itself, you will get some NITs. So getting 100 marks is not difficult, guys. And with Vedantu's crash course, I guarantee with these topics, you will ladduli get 100 marks overall. Very, very easy. In a laddu manner, you will get it. Okay. So what are the important topics? The important topics are statistics. Very easy topic to score. So all you need to know is mean, median, mode, and then standard deviation and variance. That's it. Mean, median, mode, and then you have standard deviation and variance. That is all you need to know. If you know these 5 things already, then you are done. You are already done. You are ensured of 4 marks in statistics. Can you see how easy that is? How easy that is? Now, let's move forward. Now going to the next one, mathematical reasoning. Mathematical reasoning is another topic. Sir, I don't even understand what is there in MR, sir. In my school also they didn't teach. They told leave that chapter. In my coaching institute also nobody is teaching. How do I score marks in mathematical reasoning? Guys, every year you get 1 question from MR. Every year you have 1 question which is for 4 marks. So why do you want to leave those 4 marks? Okay. Yes, R. Sharma. So you take which are the easy chapters here which you didn't do and work on them, R. Sharma. Okay. So MR, you have to handle it because it will take probably 1 hour to master it. It will just take 1 hour to master it, but the returns are very high. So this is what I call as low investment, high returns. So that is a concept in finance. Maybe your parents might know it. So when you are investing money, you want to put very little money, but you want to get out a lot of money. That is called low investment, high returns. Like that, you invest only 1 hour, but you get plus 4 marks from MR. Why do you want to leave that? Why do you want to leave that? Exactly, keto MR. MR is free 4 marks. So don't ever leave that. Are you guys clear? Everybody? So if you want, you can be a part of the crash course because we cover MR in detail. And also in JEE Enthuse channel, we are going to do 1 short series of mathematical reasoning on Thursday. So don't forget it. On Thursday, we have mathematical reasoning, complete revision in 1 hour. So if you are interested, be a part of it. Okay? Yes, brilliant guys. I am going to talk about all the subjects, guys, math, physics and chemistry. So please wait for it. Then sequence and series, straight lines, determinants, definite integral, application of derivative and 3D vectors. Okay. So these are some of the most important topics which I really want everybody to cover, and they are all easy. Definite integrals is very easy. King's rule is the most important. Application of derivative, maxima, minima, tangents and increasing decreasing function. That's it. Only 3 topics. Then vectors 3D. Vectors 3D, you need to invest some time. Exactly. So this is what I would tell in my easy kill topics. Okay. So let us move forward. Now coming to physics. So how many of you are excited for physics? Can you guys tell me which is the most highly weighted topic? Let me cover it. Which is the most highly weighted topic or most important topic in physics? Can anybody tell me that? Can anybody tell me that? Okay, we have some answers. We have some answers. Who is that? Ash Sharma, exactly. Mechanics. You guys are absolutely right. Mechanics is the most important topic because you get 35% questions from that. Okay? Yes, cyber tech, why not? JEE Mains and KVPY are of different level. So don't worry about it. Okay, you still have time. You can make things different. You can turn around things. So please listen to me carefully and work on the properties which I'm telling you. Work on the strategy and important pointers I'm giving. Okay. Hello Rushikesh. Hello Vignesh. Welcome, welcome. Very good evening, guys. Nice to see you. Okay. Yes, yes, Prakash. Hello Sugda. Welcome, guys. So now mechanics is most important, and after that you obviously have current, electricity and electrostatics. So these are the next two highly weighted topics, and then you have optics and modern physics, and finally heat and thermodynamics. So guys, if you are someone who's preparing right now, then I would ask you to focus a lot on mechanics and then on optics and then probably these two. So that is how you progress. And most of you find this also very easy, right? Thermodynamics is also very easy because you have it in both physics as well as chemistry. So like that, you need to plan it out. Yes, KV Shantosh, for NEET also you can take this. Okay? No, Rushabh, you can't say which will be easy, which will be difficult. You have to prepare and give it your best. Okay? So guys, let me tell you one more thing. This weightage is from the Vedantu's crash course. The way we teach in Vedantu's crash course is based on this pattern. So we give more weightage to mechanics, we give highest weightage to electricity, then optics, then heat and thermodynamics. That is how we correct, we teach, and we help students build confidence. Okay. Now, what are the distribution of easy, medium, and hard questions? So in physics, if you see the recent year trends, the number of hard questions are actually very less. So you see this is 10%, this is 5%, this is again 10%, this is 10%. So the number of hard questions is just 2 to 3. The number of easy questions is how much? The number of easy questions is around, moderate questions again 15. The number of easy questions will be around 6 to 7. Isn't that awesome? Did you guys like it? So physics has more easy questions and same level of moderate questions and very few hard questions. So if you even start now, you guys can still make it big. You can score these marks. So you have 22 questions up for grabs. So that's almost 88 marks. Out of 88, even if you score 60, it is still a very good score. It is still a very good score. And guys, to achieve 60, I'm telling you, it is not a tough task. But you need good guidance. See, you need teachers who have done it. So last year, Vedantu's crash course has helped people move from 10,000 rank into top 500. In Vedantu's crash course last year, some of my own students have gone from 10,000 to top 500 because of simple strategies. See, most of the time students are very hardworking. At the end, everybody becomes hardworking. Everybody is, excited. They realize that maybe they wasted time. They realize the seriousness of their parents and they start working. But at that time, hard work should have a direction. Okay, without direction, hard work is gonna go waste. So that direction can be given by some experienced people who have done it before. So that is where this crash course can help. I'm gonna talk about it in a while. R. Sharma, I told you, start with the easy topics. So start mathematics with matrices, determinants, statistics, sequence and series, quadratic equations. So that will give you confidence, R. Sharma. I hope I answered your doubt. Very good, Jagadish. Okay, Ajo, in 2 to 3 months, you can crack with a decent score. Okay, Satya, the Vedantu's crash course timing, I will talk about it completely. Please wait for me. So let's move forward, guys. I have given you the distribution. Now, like I said, this distribution is coming from the previous year's JEE Main papers. So one important thing which I will tell you is, before you write your JEE Mains, you need to give one previous year's paper like a test. For example, let's say January 2020 paper, I want to write it as a test. Rishabh, the price of the crash course is unbelievably reasonable. It is 7,000 for last 5 months. For the next 5 months, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, till the last month of your JEE Mains, we will support you with maths, with physics, with chemistry, assignment, test, discussion, all of it for a price of just 7,000, which is mind-blowing. But guys, let me tell you what all is included. You will be absolutely amazed. Let's talk about it completely. No Ajo Saran, definitely it will improve your marks, but ideas only if you work on it. If you work on it, nothing peace. Got it? Ajo, the crash course will be till May. So please wait and listen carefully. Yes, Deba Priya, you can enter now and you can listen to me. If you have any doubt, you can let me know. Got it? So people, like I said, one mock test you have to take previous year question. For example, if you have February attempt coming up, then you can take one previous year's paper as a mock test. And Vedantu crash course will give you previous year's questions as a mock test available in our platform. So Vedantu is an online platform. We give the previous year's questions because we have already loaded them inside. You just have to log in and take the test. Where will you get that feature? You have to download the PDF. You have to do it on your own. But in Vedantu, we have already uploaded it and you can take it as a test. That is a cool feature. Now, coming to the most important topics in physics. First, current electricity. Second, electrostatics. Third, atomic physics. Fourth, rotation. Fifth, electrostatics again. And then you have ray optics. Then you have kinetic theory of gases. Then semiconductors. Then wave mechanics. And then finally, units and dimensions. So these are the top 10 weightage of topics. Let me repeat it again. Yes. The second one is magnetic effects of current. First, current electricity. Second, magnetic effects of current. Third is atomic physics. Fourth is rotation. Fifth is electrostatics. Sixth is nothing but ray optics. And then you have kinetic theory of gases. Then you have semiconductors. And then you have wave mechanics. And then units and dimensions. So guys, these topics are going to be having the highest weightage. And like I said, the crash course will go in this sequence. So some of you are asking, sir, can I start from current electricity? Yes, that is what I would do, because you can start with the most highly weighted topic. Yes, Coco, you can enroll, but you should be able to follow. You have to check that, okay? And then go for magnetic effects, atomic physics, and so on. This is how the crash course will go. So in case you guys want to be a part of it, then you can go and join right now. Rishabh, the crash course is starting tomorrow. So please try to enroll right now because there is an offer going on. You can check it in the description and I'll also give you my coupon code. So everybody clear with this? Shall we move forward? Come on guys, show me some enthusiasm. Can I see some yours in the chat? Quickly. Everybody. Yes, Devara Varun. I will do that. Okay. Everybody let me know in the chat quickly, guys. Very good, Anushri. Cybertech, Jagadish is on fire. Keto is here. Brilliant. Great job, guys. Now we will move forward and look at some of the most important things that I really want to discuss over here. Now, what are the easy kill topics in physics? In physics, the easy kill topics are majorly modern physics and thermodynamics. Why thermodynamics? Because you already study half of it in chemistry. So that is why your modern physics and thermodynamics are going to be some of the easy kill topics in your physics. Okay? Everybody cool with that? I hope you guys got it. Now, let's move forward and look at what we have in chemistry, because somebody is asking KPRN. Everybody is asking, sir, chemistry you tell, sir. That is very important. Yes. Amar Singh, I'm going to talk about chemistry. So physical chemistry 1 means 11th standard. Physical chemistry 2 means 12th standard. Inorganic chemistry 1 means 11th standard inorganic. This is 12th standard inorganic. This is 11th standard organic and 12th standard organic. So if you look at it, your 12th standard portions are very important as far as chemistry is concerned. Yes, Ayush, welcome man. So guys, your 12th standard portions are very important as far as your chemistry is concerned. Okay. So Ajo, you should not leave it, man. Inorganic, how? Because you do have certain topics of inorganic chemistry in your 11th standard, like your periodic table, chemical bonding. They're all inorganic chemistry, guys. I hope you're aware of it. So in 11th also you have inorganic. Don't think only in 12th you have. Okay. Are you all clear? Very good, Shriram. That's so nice to hear, man. Brilliant. Hello, Nani Pandu. Welcome. Hansika, welcome. Okay, great. So everybody clear with this? So the weightage is maximum for 12th standard inorganic and 12th standard organic. So if I am starting now only, I will focus a lot on inorganic because it is easy to score and weightage is also high. Then I will focus on physical and then organic. So guys, let me tell you something. If you have not started organic, then better invest time here because organic takes time to master. Organic takes time to master. Sindhu, no problem, Sindhu, welcome. Hello, Partha Kiran, welcome. Yes, Jagadish, I have a very big surprise for you guys waiting at the end. Yes, Shivesh, please tell me what is the doubt that you have. Okay, so guys, everybody please understand, if you have not started organic, then it's better you invest time on physical chemistry and on inorganic so as to score a very high mark. Okay, organic you need to spend a lot of time, guys. It doesn't come easy. Okay, perfect. So let's move forward. Let's go ahead, guys. So these are the distributions of easy, medium and hard questions. So if you look at it, the number of easy questions has increased over the years. So as you see here, the number of easy questions has increased. You get almost 40% easy questions. So you get 10 easy questions, you get 10 moderate questions and 5 hard questions. So this is the usual split. Okay, so you get 4 to 5 hard questions and 9 to 10 medium questions and 10 to 11 easy questions. So this is how it goes. This is how it goes. So what I really want you all to focus on is the easy and moderate ones. So suppose you're starting your preparation now. Most of you were saying, sir, I'm starting my preparation now. I did not do well in the last 2 years. For you guys, please focus on easy to medium questions. That is good enough. That itself is 20 questions and that itself gives you 80 marks. Okay, so focus on these 80. Even if you get 60 out of 80, it's a brilliant score. You will end up getting NITs, any NIT you want. Okay, perfect. So let us move forward and look at the topic distribution. So guys, one of the most highly weighted topics in chemistry is your coordination compounds. The highly weighted topic is coordination compounds, and then you have P block elements, inorganic chemistry, chemical bonding, inorganic chemistry, then you have biomolecules, very, very important. People tend to skip it. Guys, let me tell you something here. Let me tell you something here. All these 4 chapters, now, these 3 are pakka mugging up chapters. These 3 are just mugging up. Do you think there's anything to, solve? No way. These 3 chapters, there's no solving. It is just memorizing. Okay. In coordination compounds, maybe there's a little bit of solving. But here, it is no solving, guys. It is just directly either you know it or you don't know it. Okay. Similarly, solutions is the next chapter. Then you have electrochemistry. Then you have electrochemistry, then atomic structure, another easy topic. Then you have stoichiometry, mole concept. And then you have organic chemistry, and then chemical kinetics. This is also an easy chapter. So these are the important chapters that you have to cover. Okay? Yes, kiddo. So this is the high weightage topics in your exam. So this is topic wise keto. I'm not talking organic chemistry. I'm talking individual topics. So individual topics, coordination chemistry had the highest number of questions. Yes, Rushabh, for chemistry, NCERT textbook is more than enough. For NCERT textbook, you need to read line by line, inorganic and organic. But for physical, you need to solve more. Okay? So NCERT textbook is enough for your inorganic and organic part. But for your physical, you need to solve some questions. Everybody clear? So shall I move forward? Okay, let's get going, guys. So these are the easy kill topics. So if you look at your chemistry, atomic structure, chemical bonding, periodic table, general organic chemistry, redox reactions. So these are your easy topics, and with these topics itself, you can score around 20% of the mark. So you can score 20 to 25 just from these 5 topics. So guys, getting 25-30 marks is very simple. It is not difficult. I hope you guys are able to understand. So can you guys give me a thumbs up if you all like the way we have covered? Did you all like the strategy? Did you all like the information which I have given? Everybody clear with it? Can I see some thumbs up and some yo's in the chat? Come on guys, quickly. Advanced, not right now, Rishabh. We will focus on that once your JEE Mains is done. Very good, Shivakumar, Ananya, Debapriya. Very good, Anushri. Brilliant. So let us move forward and have a look at some more important advice that I want to give you. I want you guys to focus in chemistry, your 12th standard portion. Because guys, your chemistry 12th, inorganic and organic, accounts for almost 40 to 50% of your paper. So your 12th organic and inorganic will account for almost 40% of your paper. Very important. Santosh, we have a brilliant crash course coming up for a brilliant price. So that is why I'm here explaining about it. Please wait for it. I think that would be a better choice rather than just YouTube videos. Okay. So now, how do we start? So I want everybody to start off practicing from sample papers and previous year's papers. So once you guys are done with the topic, I want you to practice from sample papers and previous year's papers. So where do you get sample papers? So in Vedantu, we give you 10 mock tests, which is of NTA pattern, which is based on a lot of research over the last 3 to 4 years. There are thousands of sample papers online. You just Google sample paper, you will get 100 links. But guys, don't simply waste time, because how do you know that they are of the same pattern? How do you know that they are based on good research? What if the paper is easy and you score very well and you are very happy with your mark? Then JEE will be a very big surprise for you. So it is essential that you write in a very trusted and good resource. Got it? That is very important. So take a lot of mock tests and also practice previous years. When I say previous years, don't just look at the solution. Don't just mug up the answer. That is not the right way. You have to understand what is asked in the previous year. You need to solve it and crack it on your own. Okay? I hope you guys got it. Yes, Harish, I will come to that. I will reply to all your doubts. Please wait for it. Very good, Yashgiri. Yashgiri, what are the previous year's questions you did? Did you do only recent year, or did you do 15-20 years back questions? Because 15-20 years back questions are very easy. Nowadays, it's a bit difficult. Okay. So guys, the coupon code which everybody is asking is SJCC21. So this is my coupon code. You can use it, Shaikh, for the crash course, you get almost 30% off from 10,000. So it's around 7,000, the price of the crash course. Exactly. So the old year papers are very easy. The time when our parents wrote JEE, at that time it was very easy. Now the competition has increased. So that is why the price, the effort you guys have to put in is very high. Okay. Yes, Rishabh, that is the coupon code SJCC21. Thank you, Tarsh. Very good, Yashgiri. That's awesome. Arsh, you have to focus on the bigger picture. No problem, Sukumar. Welcome. So, Arsh, if you're not able to concentrate on studies, then you have to look at the bigger picture. What is the life at college? What are the benefits you get if you are studying in an NIT or in an IIT? That you guys have to think about. Okay. Now, moving on. Attempt more tests. So, this is my humble request to everybody. How many of you feel this is important? How many of you agree? I want to know how many of you are very smart. I want to know how many smart and brilliant students I have in this particular session. Can you guys hit that chat button? Please do it. Exactly. I know it. I know it. You guys are really well aware of the importance of mock tests. But guys, like I said, you need to take mock tests which are important. So Keto was asking, sir, should I write NTA Abhyas papers? Yes, that is a good option. That is a very good option. But the problem is NTA Abhyas, some papers are very easy, some papers are very difficult. Have you seen that? Did you guys go through NTA Abhyas papers? Some of them are very easy, guys. You will think, is this even JEE Main level? But some papers are as tough as advanced. Okay, I have seen the papers and I am speaking from experience. So even that you have a problem. So that is why you need a good resource. And that is also provided in the Vedantu crash course. In Vedantu's crash course, we give you mock test. We give you 15 mock tests on an all India level where all our topper students will write the exam. So you compare yourself with the best students of India, because Vedantu has produced 99.999 percentile also. Okay, very good. Kunal, that is too early to decide, man. You should not do it right now. First write the exam, because if you think of dropping, then you will become very casual. So don't ever think of it, Kunal. You have time, study properly. Only when you write the exam, you have to think about all that. Okay, so not before the exam. Kunal, that's not correct. In my opinion, what you're doing before the exam itself, thinking of dropping is not right. First, do the exam. Try to give your best. And after you are done, then we will talk about it, whether you want to drop or not. Okay, so let us move forward. Like I said, guys, you can take mock tests and improve your All India rank, because Vedantu's mock test will give you where you stand, what rank you are getting, and what time you took to solve a question. All that analysis will be provided to you with the crash course that includes everything over here. So per week, Amit, in the crash course, you have one test a week for the next 5 months. And I would say taking one test per week is good. Or if you want to move more, if you are aggressive, sir, I am very aggressive, I study 12 hours a day, then maybe you can take 2 tests per week. Don't take more than 2 tests per week, it's not good. Okay, don't take more than 2 tests a week. 2 is good enough, that's okay. Okay, so shall I move forward? No, cyber tech, at least try to cover half the syllabus and then write the mock test. Without studying anything, don't go for mock test. That is also not good. At least half the syllabus you should complete. Okay, so that you score at least 120, 130, 140 marks. Got it? Very good, Prasoon. Then Ash, you need more practice. So that also I'm coming to Ash. The next thing is evaluate your preparation. How well you are prepared, you have to test it. How do you test it? That is why you need to write test. Do proper analysis. So why do I say 2 tests only per week? The reason you have to write only 2 tests per week is because you need to spend time on analysis. Yes, Narinder, I will try to do almost every chapter. You need to do test analysis. So in test analysis, what do? You analyze your mistake, whether you made calculation mistake or you made conceptual error. That is one exam, one important strategy which I want to talk about. Note down the mistake and revise these mistakes before you give the next exam. Revise these mistakes before you give the next exam so that you will be reminded. You will be reminded. You'll be like, okay, today I should not make this mistake. I'll be careful. So that is why you have to do test analysis. To do test analysis, first you have to write test. Where do you write test? You write test in the Vedantu's crash course, because we have brilliant test series according to the NTA pattern, new syllabus, new pattern, exactly like your exam. Okay? Exactly, Siddhi. You will pakka get 50 marks if you do the important topics which I told. Guaranteed. Very good, Tulsi. Awesome, Tulsi. Brilliant. Okay? Yes. So now, the crash course cost, Rakshit, is 7,000 rupees. I will give you the link in the chat and also in the description of the video. I will try to pin the link on the chat, okay? It is 7,000 rupees if you use my coupon code. So my coupon code I have already given you guys. It is Shimon Joseph Crash Course 21. So if you use that, you will get it at 7,000. And guys, 7,000 for 5 months. 5 months. Jan, Feb, March, April, May. 5 months you get for 7,000. You have to use my coupon code SJCC21. Okay? And you know what? Let me tell you something. When I was studying, I also prepared for IIT. I also went for coaching and all that. Okay? And that is why I can relate to you guys. I can, understand what you go through. And it's kind of reminding me of the days when I studied. I used to struggle very much. My dad used to wake me up in the morning, take me to tuition, and I used to come back, and then again I used to study. So it is a very nice period, guys. You will enjoy it, I'm telling you. But when I studied 10 years back, the crash course was 50,000, guys. 10 years back, a 3-month crash course is 50,000. Look at now, because of online education, the price has come down like anything. 7,000 getting teachers like the ones in Vedantu is like a blessing for you. Okay? You get teaching, math, physics, chemistry, and you also have test series as a part of it. Okay? Very good, Yash. That is a good score, man. Very good, Tulsi. Yes, Aksa. So guys, I hope you got it. So I would say go for it. Now let's move forward. So why is the test very important? Because test will expose you to your weak areas and you have to master your weak links. Because whenever you have a chain, when your weak link is present, it is easily broken here. Okay, it is easily broken over here. Got it? So that is why you have to strengthen your weak areas. And how do you do that? So to strengthen your weak areas, we offer tips and tricks based on experience of teachers. So we have some cool tricks for chapters. For example, I teach my students a lot of cool things in sequence and series. I teach my students a lot of cool tricks in straight lines. So all these tricks will be covered to you, which can ensure you that you get easy score out of certain topics. So this cannot be happening for every topic, but there are some topics which are very easy, and there we will teach you some interesting tricks which can be used. Okay? Yes, Narinder, 220 is a brilliant score, man. Of course, it's a great score. So this is the pattern you have to follow. Practice previous year's questions, give mock tests, evaluate your preparation, master the weak areas, again give a previous year's test, then give mock test, then evaluate again your preparation, again find the weak areas, practice previous year's questions, and keep going. This is what you have to do to the next till the next attempt which you are giving. Okay. Sindhu, this is for all the 3 subjects. If you pull the video back, you will see I have covered all the 3 subjects. So try to check it. Okay. So guys, this is important. Try to make a note of it. Now those who said, sir, I didn't prepare well for the last 2 years. What should I do? So for you guys, you have to focus only on NCERT textbook. Right now, the best thing you can do is focus on NCERT textbook, especially for chemistry and physics. For chemistry and physics, your NCERT textbook can really help you to score a decent 30 to 50 marks. Yes, so 150 is a good score. It can get you into NITs. 120 is probably a bit less, but 150 is a very good score. It can get you into NITs. Okay, so aim for 150 to 200. That is what I would recommend. Anything above 200 is brilliant. Anything above 200 is hats off. Okay, 150 to 200 is good. Below 150 will be a trouble area. 120 to 150 will be a trouble area if you are in general category. Below 100, problem. Okay, you should aim for above 100 no matter what. Okay, are you all clear? Everybody? Everybody? So let's move forward, guys. Above 200 is crazy good, guys. Above 200 you will get everything. Mustaq, this is analyzing paper 1 for engineering entrance exam, right? Paper 2 is for B-Arc, which I think we will do some other time, not right now. Okay? Perfect. So guys, like I said, practice as many questions as you can. And one more important thing is, to practice questions, you need to have a good resource. You might be asking, sir, what question should I practice? Who will give me questions? Where will I get it? So that is also provided in the crash course, because we have topic-wise assignment prepared for you and topic-wise practice tests. So guys, for 7,000, you get test series, you get teaching, you get videos, you get chapter notes, and you also get chapter-wise assignments. This is the best thing that can happen to any student at the last part of their preparation. Okay? To get into IIT, Rakshit, you just need to qualify JEE Mains. So anything above 100, 120 is good enough. Okay? Perfect, guys. Okay. So let us move forward. Focus on quality over quantity. So solve good questions rather than solving laddu easy questions. Okay, so you need to focus on good questions. You have to pick high quality questions over laddu easy questions. Got it? So that is my advice to all of you. Now document and clear your doubts. When you solve questions, you will get doubts. How many of you get doubts when you solve question? Most of you will have a problem when you're solving questions. If you solve good questions, you'll obviously have doubts. Then, how will you clarify them? To clarify them, you need to ask your teachers, you need to stay connected to them, you need to make sure they are solving your doubts, or you can also use the Vedantu's Doubt app. So if you are part of the crash course, the Doubt app is for free. So Vedantu's Doubt app will solve your doubts for free from morning 8 o'clock till night 11 o'clock. Yes, Sindhu, they are all live classes. The crash course will be live, and even if you miss it because you're not well or your school left you late, you will also get the recording. So that is the beauty of how the crash course is defined. Okay. So this is the best feature, because sometimes we can't ask our teachers. We'll feel shy. We can't ask our teachers, right? Sometimes if we ask them, we'll think what they will feel or whether they will like it or not. All those problems are there. But the Doubt app is very easy. Just take a photo of your doubt, send it. The doubt expert will solve it and send it back to you. Isn't that cool? No hard feelings, no confusion. Immediately you will get solution. So that is the best part. Yes, Gayatri, I do speak Tamil. So then you have to prepare notes. So this is something which is difficult for you guys right now, because right now it's too late and you guys can't, keep reading and writing notes. Then everybody will draw a nice diagram. You will take red color pen, blue color pen, black color pen. You will do nice border and you will write it very neatly. And by then JEE Mains will get over. So now you cannot write notes. It will be a very, very tedious task. So instead, for you guys, the notes are already prepared. Again, we will give you summary with the key concept and important formulas. So that is also available for all the students of Crash Course in case you guys are interested. Okay? So guys, that is all about what I wanted to discuss. I hope you're all clear with this. I already spoke to you about it. Now, let's come to the conclusion. How to take a mock test. So you have to figure out the best test taking strategy. So many of you are asking, sir, what is the benefit of taking a mock test? You get to realize your mistake and you work on it. That is one part. But the next thing is exam temperament. You should not get worried in an exam hall. You should be calm, composed, and you should take it easy. So that skill you will develop the more mock tests you take. Exactly. And also something very important is how much time to spend for one subject. So guys, let me tell you something. In my experience, right, people usually spend 40 minutes on chemistry and 1 hour on math and 1 hour on physics. So 20 minutes is left out, right? In chemistry, you're saving 20 minutes. That 20 you will give either to math or to physics, depending on which is tougher. So usually all the top students solve chemistry very fast. Then math, then physics. Then the remaining 20 minutes, you spend it either on math or physics, whichever is difficult. Okay? Did you guys like that? Yes, Gayatri, for sure. Okay? So perfect. Hardik, KVPY solutions, we will discuss it tomorrow. It is already done in JEE channel. If you really want it, go and check it there. And we will also do it tomorrow. Got it? Okay, so here we go, people. Don't guess in the exam hall. Because if you guess, you get a -1, especially in the MCQ questions. Okay, so that is also something you learn from the test taking strategy. And finally, dream and imagine your success. Guys, you all have worked very hard and I'm sure you guys can crack it. Only thing is, you have to let go of this negative feeling. How many of you have this negative feeling all over your head? Do you think you are the only person who has it? How many of you feel, sir, I only have negative feelings, sir. I always take negative. I think negative. I think I'm not going to make it. I think I will fail. My parents are expecting so much. Guys, everybody goes through that. And it's good. Tension is good in life. Without tension, no life, if it is always smooth, then also it's boring, right? You need to have some tension, some, pressure in your life. So this process is amazing. You guys, when you come out of it, when you enter into a college, when you look back now, let's say Rakshit is here. Rakshit, tomorrow he gets into an IIT. So he'll look back 2 years and say, Shimon Sir was taking a class and I was very tensed. So that phase was amazing. I was preparing hard for these exams. So you guys are not realizing that because I have gone through that process now. So nothing piece is saying, sir, I'm depressed. I get so pressurized. Guys, I'm telling you, there is a sunshine at the end. Your end is coming, right? JEE Mains and JEE Advanced is going to be the end of your preparation. After that, life is going to change for good. You might be in a college, you might be in a very good setup, you have good friends, you experience life, you learn things, you apply things, you become an entrepreneur, you become a businessman, you become a very good computer scientist. So things are going to happen for good. You're going to become a man. You're going to become a woman. You are going to go out and see the world. This is just the last hurdle which you have to jump. So take it casually. Everybody goes through this, okay? Every person in India has written it and everybody will definitely feel that pressure. And parents will start saying, board exam is coming. Why are you scoring less in board exam? Why are you scoring less in CBSE? If you're scoring less in CBSE, then how will you do well in JEE Mains? All that questions will come. But you guys have to balance it. You should learn to balance it, because what is going to come next is your life, your college life, your career. So this experience can help you to handle the pressure which comes later in life. If you are feeling this itself is too much, then think about the experiences in life which are yet to come. So you have college, you have placements, you have career, and you have family. So all that is a big list waiting for you, right? So grow up. Come on, you have to handle it. Everybody has to handle it. Think of what is your vent. You have to go and take a walk. Whenever you feel pressurized, go take a walk. Go and see some greenery. Talk to your friends. Call them up. Go meet them. Spend some time, but again come back and get working. Like that, you need to be pumped up. And have confidence, guys, because you have prepared for 2 years. I'm sure you will crack it. Getting a score of 100 to 150 is doable task. And I want everybody to say that you can do it. Can you guys tell me? Can we all take that promise? Sir, I'm going to achieve my desired target. I want everybody to let me know, and you have to make JEE Enthuse proud. Yes, everybody, can you all let me know? Exactly. Kirito, you are right. I want all of you to take that oath and take that promise that you can do it, and you will be able to make your parents, yourself, and Vedantu also proud. Okay? Great, Shabana. That is awesome. And guys, always hold on to that confidence. Like I said, dream and imagine your success, because the only thing stopping you from achieving your target is you only. You don't put that negative block. Just clear it and move forward to reach your goal. And you guys will. Trust me on that. If you are clearing your target, clearing your obstacles, and looking at your goal, you will reach it, because if your hard work is right, then the reward will also be right. As simple as that. Okay? So great job, guys. With that, we will conclude our session. I hope you are answered of all of these points. Now, coming to the crash course. So Vedantu is having a 30 days crash course preparation plan, which is taught by some of the best teachers of India. So you have Pulkit sir. I will also take a few sessions. We have Arvind Kalia sir. We have some great minds coming together to motivate you, to push you to reach that rank which is your dream rank. Okay? So that is how we will do it. Sindhu, the crash course is starting tomorrow. It will be every day, 2 sessions, and you will be having live classes. And if you are not able to attend live class, you will get the recording also. So tomorrow, Sindhu, go for it in case you are needed. In case you need it, go for it immediately, and I will show you how to apply for it. Yes, Durai Raj, the sessions will be in English. The sessions are in English. Yes, it will be 45 sessions. So what it will include? It will include your complete full syllabus coverage, and it will give your JEE preparation final boost. Why final boost? Because you have the best teachers, you have assignments targeted on JEE Mains, and then you have test series, and then you have class notes. Everything will be targeting your JEE Mains. So that is the best feature. And what are the following things which are present? Full syllabus, unlimited doubt solving by Doubt app. So Vedantu has something called as the Doubt app, where you can post your doubt and get it cleared. So this is available for every student joining the crash course. Okay? And you have regular test and practice papers. You have rapid revision. You have exam strategy by AP sir, Pulkit sir, who are the co-founders of Vedantu. They are all experienced teachers who have produced All India rank 6, 7, 38, 41 and so on. Okay? So in case you guys are impressed, and if you guys feel, sir, it can help me, then guys, don't wait, because now you don't have time. And as I said, it is starting tomorrow. I'll be handling some of the sessions in the crash course. I will come to personally and motivate you guys. I will come personally to the classes and I will help motivate you because I have gone through the process. I wrote the first JEE Mains. So when I wrote, it was the first time JEE Mains was conducted. And it was an online as well as offline exam. So I also had a lot of confusion. The syllabus was different. The pattern of paper was different. But still, we went through it. Pressure was the same. But still we went through it and we came out successfully. And so can you. Guys, if I can do it, I'm sure you guys are much smarter, man. You guys are much smarter than us. Every year, the students are sharper, smarter, and more competitive. So you guys can do it. Only thing is you need to put effort, guys. You have to sit down and study. That is something which is difficult these days. Everybody has mobile phone, lot of distractions. So that you have to control. That's the difficult part. So when I was studying, we didn't have that many distractions. We didn't have Snapchat, we didn't have Instagram, Facebook, all these, social media, distraction, TikTok. So that was not there. But we had other things. We had TV, movies, cricket. So that distraction was there. But now it's even more difficult to stay concentrated. So that you guys have to overcome. Okay? So it's a mental game. You need to really, fight it and come out of it. Perfect. So people, if you really enjoyed it, then check it out. The price you just see, it's almost 77 rupees per day for one subject. And it will be 45 power packed session. So somebody was asking, sir, after February, what will you do, sir? After February, crash course is over. No guys, like I said, it will be available to you till May. You have the part test and the full test. And it will be all India level test, so you will get your rank. And also you have assignments and practice papers which will be given to you throughout the next 5 months. Yes, definitely Alvin, that is why I am telling you guys, check out the crash course and go for it today and you will thank me tomorrow. And guys, whoever joins the crash course, I will give personal attention on my Instagram. Okay, so it is Shimon_Joseph. Whoever joins the crash course will get personal attention from me on my Instagram account. You can even call me anytime. Okay, so if you guys are part of the crash course, I will take responsibility for you. You can call me anytime. You can ask me, sir, this happened in the crash course. Can you explain this? Can you tell me this doubt? I will do that for you in case you guys are planning to join it today. Okay, so that is my assurance, so that you guys trust and take that leap of faith. That's a huge thing and I want you guys to do well. So that is why I'm planning to personally assist you. Okay, so that is something very unique. As an additional feature, you get that, and you also get the summary of all the chapters and previous year's question papers and also doubt solving, all of it for a price of how much? 7,000. Okay, just 7,000 guys. And you know what? I want to share this because this is my proud achievement. So guys, here Rajdeep is my student, Sumit is my student, and Chirag is my student. So these three people, I have personally taught them. So I mentored Rajdeep. He is from Kota, Delhi. Sumit is from Bhopal, I guess. And Chirag is also from Delhi. So all these three people were Vedantu students and they were able to secure such a great rank in IIT Advanced. So guys, crash course at Vedantu is designed by brilliant people. Okay, and it can help you to push your rank like anything. I'm telling you that there are people who got 10,000 rank. After the crash course, they have moved to 5,000, the droppers batch. So if people are able to do it, so can you. That is why I said, have that confidence. Think that you can do it. Yes, ask me, why not? But you're too young for it. You have to wait for a few more years. Okay? So guys, this is it. This is the most important slide. So in case you guys are interested, go for it. You can use this coupon code and you can join the crash course today. You have a final price of 7,000. And like I said, if you are joining the crash course, just send me a screenshot on my Instagram and I will personally help you. So it is Shimon_Joseph. So I hope you guys got it. It is Shimon_Joseph. That is my Instagram ID. And as I said, I will personally help you on my Instagram. Yes. Okay. So I hope all of you are clear. Yes, kiddo. Just message me on Instagram and I'll help you. What if you don't have an Instagram account? You can message me in Telegram. In Telegram also, it is my same ID. Guys, I would love to help you. Who doesn't want to help a student? Okay, just message me. I will help you. And for questions, use the Doubt app. If you have any personal questions, sir, I feel down, I want to talk to you. Sir, I feel demotivated. Sir, I feel very pressurized. So all that I would love to help. Okay, I love talking to you guys. So that is doable. But if you have academic doubts, say guys, please try to use Doubt app. Now everybody will think, sir, why are you not solving questions? Guys, it is not that I can't solve it. It is just that I won't have time to solve. Okay. So if you have questions, mathematical, use the Doubt app. Unless you have something very tough that nobody can solve, then you can give me. But otherwise, your personal questions you can ask me. I'll help you. Okay. Chalo. So guys, this is the crash course. I hope all of you have noted it down. This is a brilliant, brilliant, brilliant deal. Don't let it go just like that. Okay. I'm more active on Instagram, Keto. So that's it. I hope you guys had a great session. So guys, let's all part with some confidence. How many of you are confident that you will do it with Vedantu, with us, with me, and with the crash course? Everybody, ask me. I know it's you. Great, Ajo. Very good, Shabana. Very good, Kirito. That is the confidence, guys. Amazing. I can do it from everyone. Let's go and do this. Yes, Priyanshu, it covers 11th important topics. Yes, 12th important topics. Yes, of course. Yes, Mohammed, of course, man. Just let me know. Whatever doubts you have, let me know. Very good, Rushikesh. Ajo, tell it with a confident smile, man. Why are you crying saying I can do it? Don't cry when you say that. Yes, Manisha. Manisha, exercise 2 of Tattva is good enough. Yes, that's correct. You can do that. Very good, very good. Amazing, Bikramjeet. Very good. So guys, with that, we will conclude our session. I hope you guys had fun. So take care. All the very best, my dear students. It was lovely meeting you. And I'm waiting to see you all in the crash course. Okay? So let's meet in the crash course. Till then, take care, guys. All the very best. And I wish you guys success and nothing else. Okay? So take care. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.